Here in South Florida, that little bit of moisture left behind still moving into the west coast. For us, as it moves eastward, we're just seeing a few sprinkles near Sebastian and Vero, but it's drying up before it even gets to the coast, so I don't expect a whole lot out there tonight. A little bit of sun peeking through the clouds at times, 89 degrees. We did make it to 90 degrees today. That wind finally calming down. Isolated shower into the evening hours, and then I got rid of it altogether overnight. In fact, clouds will be on the decrease overnight, and by tomorrow morning, we will see more sunshine out there, a little bit of high cloudiness, but all in all, a nice start to your Saturday. Back to more of a typical summer-like pattern, but a west to east flow pattern, so that means we will get showers and thunderstorms that do fire up and move from west to east. So expect a stormy afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms out there for tomorrow. For Sunday, we change the flow, maybe push it a little bit more eastward, so rain chances do lower on Sunday. We bring them back up on Monday, and about normal here going into next week too. Back to our normal summer pattern. Better boating weather for the folks that want to go boating over the holiday weekend. Looks fine. Seas only a couple of feet. Just be aware some of those thunderstorms may move offshore late in the day tomorrow. Beach forecast looks fantastic too. Again, aside from the thunderstorm threat late, most of the day will be a lot of sunshine and those waves calm down quite a bit. 7-day forecast. Low to mid 90s is going to be very warm out there and muggy. Again, rain chances greatest probably on Monday, least amount on Sunday.